Stu and Al here. Al with sports, no sports. Stu, what's with the weather? Stu likes the sunset.
Bit of house cleaning today. I threw out my motorcycle jacket, I threw out my air mattress, my sleeping bag. These are things I haven't used in a month and I'm tired of carrying them around. And got rid of my drone batteries because the drone is long gone. Time to buy a new drone.
Okay, dropped the bike off just to see if they could do it, and of course the answer is come back in 3 hours and it'll all be done. So let's get that ignition switch fixed and my speedometer cable. Bus 2, 300 colones. Bus 1 was 510. Bus 1 was way more expensive. And bus 2 is way longer and cheaper. Okay, the buses aren't as easy as I thought because I missed 3 of them for standing at the bus stop. But I think this is a bus. Okay, I walked for about 3 kilometers, flagged down 4 buses. I gave up. I'm taking an Uber. A taxi was 30 bucks. An Uber is 12. Come on, taxis, be better. Haven't been in an elevator in a while, and I'm really tired because my flight's been delayed twice for a total of 2 hours. But it is what it is. Okay, I got yelled at by two TSA agents, and I've been running. I was in the wrong terminal, but I'm getting there. I'm gonna make it. pretty awesome. Stay tuned. So this place is $250 for an adult for the day, I think until 5 o'clock. Not worth it in my opinion, because that's a lot of money.
Simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times I'm laughing over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings inside. Give me some time. Oh, we'll bring it in a simple minds.
Okay, this place is a massive resort. It's not for me. It's great, it's wonderful, if that's what you're into. But I got maybe 2 hours of sleep last night on my flight, so I'm done, and I'm lost. Back on a boat! I'm on a boat!
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna
9 in the morning, we're somewhere halfway between the Bahamas and the USA. We've got Captain Showroom at the helm. We're all good. We'll keep you posted. Any updates?
I've been trying to cope since you ran away. I've been feeling lost, I've been feeling pain. And no matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. I tried to call the doctor, it didn't help. Took a trip out to the sun to revive myself. But no matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody.
Back in Fort Lauderdale on a tiny 104-foot boat. Last time I was here was on a 703-foot boat. This thing's tiny, 100 feet. Come on.